slime.
And all you need is dish soap and a bowl. And you just put however much dish soap.
So we're just
in there.
mixing it for hours until it bubbles up.
Yeah, and it needs to be like kind of see-through. Only a little bit, but it should be light
No,
blue.
it can't be see-through.
Yeah, and it needs to be light blue. But
My favorite color.
it has to be done. Well,
Should we
in the video it said that it should be done because it works.
We are
better.
testing this out, and we are showing the world if this works or not. So if it does not work, do not follow her.
Well, just probably don't do it. It may not work out for some people.
It really won't. If this doesn't work, then it won't work.
And plus, actually, Ali, I think I'm able to be. Sorry. I mean.
Replay.
I mean, Alzi. I'm gonna be able to stay because my mom she don't need to wake up early, so I can stay.
Barely
longer.
You're gonna stay longer?
Yeah.
Yay.
Mine, all you could see is
Bruh.
a little.
Mine is literally. Ew! There's a hair. Did you guys see that? There's a hair in
Eat
there.
your soup, daughter. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Put
There's
some
a
more.
hair.
Don't be shy. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more.
No, I'm not. I'm taking the hair out. Ew. Is it still? Ew. It's disgusting.
Okay, so I'm still mixing.
Yeah, we're still mixing. 1 hour later. So guys, we're back.
Actually, when you're done with this, isn't it? After you're done like mixing it, isn't really gonna be like real slimy, but it's gonna be a little bit thick.
Maybe it will be slime. We're testing this out.
Sorry.
We're testing this out.
Yeah, and then once it like gets pretty.
If it doesn't work, then do not do this at home.
Well, for some people it may not work. We don't know.
Bruh.
And when you're done, put it in the freezer for an hour.
I'm just going side
or
to side
two,
right now.
For an hour or two, and then check up on it every 30 minutes and like mix it around a lot, like you're doing during this. As you can see, mine is turning light blue.
Light blue. Wow.
But we didn't add anything else, only dish soap. It could be any kind of dish soap you want, but just make sure that it isn't foamy. Just make sure it's the clear one.
It's the clear. You know, there's a hair. Jada, your hair is going off. There's hair all over my.
And you have hair too.
Yeah, but I have it in chungle. Which she does not have in her chungle.
Because I don't like chungus.
Jada, say the good news, or we're gonna go tomorrow.
Oh yeah. I might make a video tomorrow that we're on the trampoline park.
So you guys, if you want to come, then come.
I'm just mixing and
So this is how mine looks like. Mine looks more bluer.
soapy. Mine is getting pretty thick.
It doesn't look thick. Why is mine so soapy?
So if you can't see this is how it's going. This is mine, that one's hers.
Sorry for the mess, but we are gonna. Sorry for the mess, guys, but you know what?
I'm standing, she's sitting.
I'm sitting. So this is our first time ever making a YouTube video.
Oh. Yeah, but it's my dad's account.
Yeah, but have you ever? Yeah, but for us, it's the first time. Okay.
When I was little, me and my cousin, we would make videos on the camera, but not like on YouTube. We would make videos like on like the camera where we take photos, and we would pretend that we would upload them onto YouTube.
Yeah, I do that a
And
lot.
even one time, my cousin, we were eating, and she was eating a quesadilla, and she was like, and she popped her neck 2 times, and I started laughing so loud. And then we pretended to do ASMR. Ali.
Not Allie.
Alzi. Sorry. I sometimes call you by your last name.
Fine, you can say my name. It's fine.
No, I'm just gonna actually call you by your sister's name, right? Allie. My sister's name is Allie.
Mariah. Fine, just call me by my name, okay? Why is mine so puffy?
Oh, no, mine isn't that puffy yet. Mine just looks like. Here, this is a.
Why is mine puffy, guys? I didn't add anything in it. Maybe I might have added a little salt to activate it.
No, you can't add anything in it.
Well, I added it.
Where's their salt?
It's activator for stickiness. Here, let me add it.
No, don't put mine. I said I don't want any. You weren't supposed to put that.
Sabotage.
Well, I guess that's fine. Just don't do that because that's
It's
not
supposed to be activator. Oh, look, now it's fluffier. Yours.
No, we're supposed to put it in the freezer.
One.
Oh, yeah. You're supposed to put it in the freezer. By the way, this is a no glue slime.
Yeah.
And then you just put it in the freezer.
We have no
Actually-
glue. Amanda had glue in the back. Look how we left it in there. But if we had glue, then we would actually be making homemade secret slime. My secret slime.
She has a bunch of slime. Every time I get... Okay, let me fix up the lighting here.
The lighting. Oh my god. Okay, it's just
You're a mean one.
Jada, don't do that. I'm gonna add color. I'm kidding.
Look at me. Dude, don't do that.
Watch, replay this, guys.
No, like for real. Like,
No, but
don't
guys,
do that.
replay this and see that video. Look what I did. I poured this fluffier into hers, and now hers is turning to liquid.
No, mine isn't turning into liquid. It's supposed to be liquid.
No, it isn't supposed to be thick. It's like Play-Doh. It's supposed to be.
Yeah, it's supposed to be kind of thick, but then you're gonna put it in the freezer for 2 hours. And then you take, and then every 30 minutes.
Okay, I'm ready.
You take it out and mix it.
Oh my
again.
goodness, I have slime all over me.
Okay, so
I'm good. Yeah, move, Jada. I'm gonna go put this in the freezer.
Okay, well, yeah. So am I. We are gonna make more slime.
Jada.
Man, I just hope we don't drop this because it's massive. This is my friend's house. I don't want to break anything here. Hold it for me. Where goes the fridge?
Bro, she's too weak. Nobody sees that. No one sees that. No one sees it.
Okay, and then
Every
into the house. And every 30 minutes, you go back and check on it and stir it a lot like you did when you were making it at first. And yeah. Well,
Wait,
we're gonna
wait,
make
wait.
a part 2.
We're gonna make a part 2 in a minute.
Yeah, like in 30 minutes. Anyways, I hope you guys like the video, subscribe, or else.
Turn on all notifications and give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe and turn on notifications and remember, comment down. If you comment down in the first 60 minutes,
Go away.
you will get prize.
No, that's a lie. Don't listen to her, because I'm not even a professional YouTuber.
Fine, don't do it.
Yeah, but,
But just subscribe and
Yeah.
get off my chair.
Yeah, but subscribe, and if we get to 100K, I will shout out. Well, I will try and like everyone's comments. Bye.